hold on to it. Hold the brake here. Hold the brake. Let it roll right there. Still outside.
He had just hooked up
Two cars in the first.
with the two car.
And I think you heard Trevor say the 2 car just turned us.
Yeah. Okay, see the 2 dumps down to the left? That's the worst thing you can do in this situation, right, KP?
The very worst thing. I mean, Jeff Gordon said the same thing. He said if you're on the outside and you can really work the car from the outside, it stabilizes the car, just like we showed in the piece that Wally and I shot at. But see, he's to the left side. When you dump to the left, Jeff said, these cars get incredibly loose. When you get to the left and the car rotates in, it rotates off that left rear like that on the bumper, and they're not flat against each other anymore, and the 21 just takes off. One car's involved in it, probably the 47 car, because the one car's trying to get down off the racetrack too. So there's 3 or 4 cars that have damage, but the 21 is just...
If you're going to take care of the guy in front of you, you've got to hang to the right. You can't drop down to the left, and that was just a situation where as soon as he went down to the left, he just hooked a 21.
And Boyer got hit in the door right there, too. You saw as they came down, Burton was able to avoid it.
Yeah, it's the opposite of what we wanted today. You know, we didn't really have a plan at the beginning of who we were going to work with. We were decent with Clint Boyer there for a couple laps, and then obviously he was going to drop off to the 31. I was kind of dropping back, just looking for a partner, and the 2 car got to us. And going into 1, I don't know what happened there, but you know, sometimes these things just get loose when you're at the lead car, and I don't know what happened there. If our bumpers just didn't line up good, or if he kind of turned getting in, or if I turned down getting in. I haven't seen it, but either way, it ended up with a torn up race car that was really fast today, so it's disappointing. We wanted to be out there, but you know, I don't know what else to say. You know, it's tough to come from winning here to down being the last car out of this race. We were going to be smart. I wanted to push all day again. I just never got the chance. So, you know, kind of stinks for this team. They worked so hard to bring me another good race car here, the second one of the year, and it's hard to rebuild race cars that are that good, and they did it. So, hate that it's torn up, but just really thankful for Ford and Motorcraft and Quick Lane for sticking behind us, because we're going to be back.